Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send TRX from your Trust Wallet to Bitmart. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking to move your Tron tokens quickly, this tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Now, remember, crypto transactions involve real money, so always double-check everything to stay safe. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that you have some TRX in your wallet. You'll also need a verified Bitmart account ready to receive the funds. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the TRX token. It's usually listed under your assets, or you can search for it in the search bar. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Step 2. Hit the Send button. You'll see a screen where you can enter the recipient's address. Now, head over to your Bitmart account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section, select TRX, and copy the deposit address provided. This is crucial. Make sure you're copying the correct address to avoid any mishaps. Step 3. Paste that Bitmart deposit address into the To field in Trust Wallet. Then, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Don't forget to check the network. TRX uses the Tron network, so ensure it's set correctly to avoid failed transactions. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation screen. This includes the amount, fees, and the recipient address. If all looks good, hit Confirm and authorize the transaction with your wallet's security features, like Face ID or a PIN. Once sent, it might take a few minutes for the TRX to appear in your Bitmart account, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on transaction fees. They can vary, so sending larger amounts might save you in the long run. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred TRX from Trust Wallet to Bitmart. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you in the next one.